Hello guys, welcome back. So as we have already completed our first two challenges, let's take up our third challenge now, which is embed a report chat. So once if you launch your playground, so in quick find I'm just going to search for app builder, and now just make a click on lightning app builder so that you will get this page. Now click on new. So guys, here I'm just going to select record page followed by next. Let's copy our label right over here. So copy this and paste it over here. So for object I'm just going to type account. So once if you get the result, make a click on it followed by next. So here just give header and left sidebar followed by done. So once if you get this page, in this search I'm just going to search for report chat and just drag and drop this right over here. So guys, once if it is done, so here in report we are just going to select opportunity stages, which is right over here. So once if it is done, click on save followed by activate. So here we are just going to choose app, record type and profile followed by assign to apps, record type and profile. So here choose sales followed by next. So click on next again. So here select master followed by next, and if you scroll down you will find standard user and system administrator. So just select it and click on next followed by save followed by save again. So yeah guys, that's all about this challenge. So once if it is done, click on this back. Let's go back and click on verify step. So yeah guys, we have successfully completed all of these challenges now. If you find this video useful, do subscribe to our channel. See you all on next video. Until then, bye bye.